what's up? Since we promised you to try out different K-pop inspired looks on each other, we decided to start off with a Blackpink inspired look. They recently had their amazing comeback with Kill This Love, so I asked Dongin to pick his favorite look of the music video.
Which is this one.
It's Lisa.
This is the third time I'm doing your makeup, right?
Third? Second?
It's the third time already.
Oh, true!
Now I'm officially not an amateur anymore, so
advanced.
I'm really getting to the advanced level, so I've prepared a lot. Yeah, at least
already this leather jacket.
I gave you the jacket. We're stepping things up a bit now, so no more funny games. I'm gonna take this seriously. I did my research and I've looked through your endless supply of makeup yesterday, and I put together this
looks good
collection, everything I need.
It could work, actually.
It could work. I think I have the colors right, and we'll see. I'm feeling really confident today.
Okay. Okay, let's start.
First thing, always, primer.
Yeah.
Primer.
Sounds good.
Gonna prime your skin. Put a bit of the primer here on my fingertip. Then just put it on your face.
Really careful.
So it prepares your skin, brightens up the skin a bit.
Ooh!
That's done.
It's a nice glow already. I think Lisa also has a really nice glow in the video.
Yeah, they have great skin, so
yeah.
Put on a lot of foundation.
You should put it onto your...
Yeah, sure. I know that, of course.
Yeah.
Put a lot of foundation on here. Do you do it like a circling motion or?
Just try it upwards, you know? Otherwise you pull my skin down and I look sad.
Wrinkles.
Yeah, wrinkles. Sad wrinkles. Was it enough to cover everything?
I think so. Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it good?
This is done. Foundation is done.
Yay!
Next up, yeah, I know that. We have the concealer. A little bit. Okay. Okay, so this time I'm really serious. I'm seriously trying my best now. I did some research.
Yeah.
Like I've watched a few makeup tutorials by a big YouTuber, big beauty YouTuber, Pony, for example, and some other ones.
Yeah.
So some James Charles stuff.
Oh yeah.
So I know my stuff now.
I'm really excited because I think this look is... What? I think this look is not that easy actually.
Shouldn't be a problem.
Because there's a lot of eyeliner going on.
Yeah. I think eyeliner is my forte actually. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm an eyeliner guy. Yeah.
Did you ever do it?
No, but I used to draw a lot, you know. I used to doodle a lot in high school. Was one of these kids who
What
always...
are you doing?
I'm working. As you can see, I'm using the quad finger technique. Do it like this. Yeah. 4 fingers.
The piano.
Yeah, doubling it up with the
Oh my god, it hurts.
8 fingers. Nice. Okay, next up we have multi-finish powder.
Nice.
We'll do the eyes later. And now we do this stuff, which is the blush.
The blush.
The blush.
Nope. Other side.
Ah, just a little bit.
Just on one spot.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sure.
Yep. It's cute.
So Lisa's makeup is like this.
Oh, we're doing Lisa makeup, right? It's okay. You can just even out. So I kind of got a little off track here. So I forgot that we're doing like a specific makeup look. I think next we should do a little contouring. Yeah. How do I do the contouring without bringing like too many dark shades into it? Can I contour with this?
Nein, das ist ein Highlighter.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Be careful.
Look at me.
Just a tiny bit.
You have to trust me.
Oh my god, contouring the nose is the hardest part. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no.
Confident strokes.
Oh my god. Oh, why?
Oh, that's hard. So we work in layers.
Yeah.
Next up we have some foundation again. Put it on here.
Ooh, it's a pro tip.
I know. I used to draw oil paintings.
It's really not easy to do the nose.
Just blend it.
Okay.
Just blend it first and then see how it goes.
Yeah.
Good.
Are you done?
I'm done. We'll do some highlighting. Tip. Nose, right? Here. Did it even work? I think it's not working.
I think it does. Look at the glow already. What is that?
Oh.
Okay, I think we should stop with the highlighter. Yeah, that's...
I like a good highlight.
It's enough.
Finally, we got the eyes.
Oh my god.
Eyeliner. So, you know, I'm a pro at this.
Yeah?
So she has a cat eye going in 2 different colors. So maybe I'll start with the pinkish one. Huda Beauty. Is it this one or this one? And
I think the bright one, definitely.
the bright one.
Yeah.
So this one's a bit more extended on the sides. So you have a different eye shape, of course. Where's the eraser? How do I?
There's no eraser.
How do I erase?
You could use the concealer, I think.
Okay.
Huh.
Tricky.
Yeah.
But I think turned out okay.
In the cam, it doesn't look too bad. I'm impressed.
So maybe a little bit more. Oh. 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 Oh.
I can't really see it.
I'm impressed. Now I'm doing a little bit underneath, really thin, like only here.
Woo! Nice. Looks fierce. Oh, I always struggle with someone doing my makeup underneath the eye.
Now I can do either the lips or the eyeliner.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of the eyeliner.
Yeah. So we'll save the eyeliner for the last.
Oh my god.
Now we do the lips first. Okay, for the lips, I think it's pretty straightforward.
Pink.
Just
pink.
Just pink. Okay, now do that. Nice. Now we'll do some glossy stuff. If I just put a tiny bit on it, I think it's a bit too red. So maybe I can maybe I can do like put in some of the purple.
Purple.
The purple one. If this works. Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
That's better. I can't touch it.
It's better.
Her lips are glossier than yours.
Yeah.
So I want to put it on your lips.
Okay.
And maybe some up here as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know oops, it looks a bit messy. That should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it glossy enough now?
It's glossy now, huh? So finally, we'll do the eyeliner. Kind of messed up a little here. Okay.
Yeah. Is it
Yeah.
good?
I think so. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
My work is done.
Woo!
So that's it.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the Lisa Kill This Love inspired makeup look.
It actually looks better than last time, I
Yeah,
think.
it's my best work yet.
What about the eyebrows?
Yeah, got something for you.
Oh my god.
So first,
So can I take these out?
Yeah, you can take them out. So I have this necklace.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Last piece. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Look at this.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh, my Daenerys wig.
It was your Daenerys wig, yeah.
Oh.
But you said you don't use it anymore.
Ooh, it's so tight. Oh my god. Ouch. Okay. I look so badass now.
You would look great with a shaved head.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, how do you like your creation?
It looks fancy, but it doesn't look like Lisa, yeah. But it's only
Of course not.
It's only inspired.
It's an inspired
It's
look.
not supposed to look like her. I did a pretty good job.
You did.
Yeah.
It's really good. I kind of like it.
Yeah. I think the wig is a bit more silverish.
Yeah, that's true. I think her hair is a bit more golden.
Obviously, I could have done a better job with the makeup.
No, you did well.
It was exhausting.
Yeah.
Yeah, nerve-wracking.
And it took pretty long.
Next time's my turn again, right?
Yay! I'm thinking of something very special for you. So if you have any look recommendations we should try next time, write it down in the comments. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I see you in the next one. Bye!